On a mountain bike, on the trails. It's time to pedal my ass off. There's nobody on these roads. About 2.5 years ago, I came here for my extreme first ride. Still had the 3x, old bars on. That was a bizarre ride. Everything felt out of control. It's cool to be back here. Quick stroll here. We get more in. .24 frames per second. ISO 3200. 90-degree shutter angle. Oh yeah, nice. It's got me beaver. And I hope the rain holds off for at least like a couple hours. Cool as hell. There's a beaver somewhere this way. What the hell is that? Oh, I see it. I see you. Hike on a bike, kind of. Got the power on low just to conserve battery. Keep right. Not me. Holy shit. That was a huge owl. Definitely pretty out here. Very peaceful. Now it's ready. Son of a bitch. Not good to be on the wood. Need to get on the street. Kind of last minute little pedal. It has rained a ton. I'm gonna go back through the boardwalk that goes through the wetland. Super slow. It's pretty shaded. Should be dry. Damn. Well, one day, I swear. So when I come up here, get back into the shade, I'll wipe this lens. Guess they were pretty accurate this time with the forecast. Didn't trust them, but of course they got it right. Good wildlife area. Yeah, my timing's pretty good. Low power on that sucker. Park the bike, walk. Just a sprinkle for the moment. Pretty sweet. So I gotta be on the double here. Kind of hurry up and it's getting a little damp here. Definitely not recommended for any riding. There's two of them. Yeah, there's two. That's awesome. Did what I could. Obviously, with the rain in this wood here, not a good combo. Fun adventure, either way. Back to pavement. I'm gonna stick to this little sidewalk thing. I don't really feel like going on the road. Or maybe I will go on the road. Might. Come on. Yeah, the car's the other way. It'll rain, it'll stop, and I just want to keep going. Man, it's kind of a problem. But I did get off the boardwalk, and I'm staying off the asphalt. If I had a road bike, I probably would do it, but with these tires and fresh rain, it's when it's slick. It's all that oil coming up. Forgot about these. Got here. Oh yeah, I remember this. It's been a long time. I'm trying to just get as much as I can in. Soak it in a little bit before. Well, yeah, shit's already hitting the fan. One day I'll have to see if I can do some type of conversion for discs onto this bike. It's nearly impossible. There's nowhere to mount it on the back, like there is no mount on the frame. The fork has one, and I just needed a wheel, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. For now, I'm just gonna pedal and get this sloppy crap off of here. This thing is so good on gravel though. Where am I going? Grass. It said bikeway narrows. That's why I'm gonna see if that's actually true. It's always a good idea. Yeah. Fact check true. God, I want a mountain bike on the trails. I can't stop. Well, I need to. I don't want to be stopped. I want to do it on my own will. Make a decision, go another mile, turn around. It's not a long ride. What's up, dear? It's not a hard ride. It's a fun ride. It's like a last minute desperate. Just reaching. Alright. Under 400 here. As you can hear, it's a good area to do a night ride, just laps in this sketchy parking lot. Might as well stay. Could probably see the sun come up. Morning. Or night. Time to roll back. Definitely. Now it's getting wet. A little wipe here. Outbound is blinking. The Trail Evo, not good. Portal's dead. Just been using them a lot. Or I come out on a night like tonight, and I'll spend a long time here or wherever. So I'm gonna pull over at this neighborhood, turn around, trying to keep the lens as clean as possible, and nearly impossible. But what the hell is that? There's nobody on these roads. Good. I bet some people know where this is at. It's like 7. I think it's not too far. It's like 5 miles, I think. No, can't be 5. Probably less. But concerns the lights. Just want to make sure that they don't run out. All right, just gonna keep going. Trying, guys. I have no idea how this is gonna be picked up. I have a bad habit of just leaving it in hyperview, and I can't turn off the helmet light because I won't be able to see. That guy's blinking down there. Not good. See, you got cars coming by. But keeping it safe enough. Moving about, right now, probably about like a 65% pace. Not fast. Fast enough for keeping the light cool. Anyways. Oh man, that Bridgewater just nailed me. Anyways, I'm gonna keep this thing, I guess, going as long as I can. I mean, back to the car at least. Another rain. Oh shit. Let's go. Get the hell out. Yeah, substitute for Atlanta Beltline. For years, I would go out and ride. Never got rained on, never. Pretty much every ride lately I have. Definitely a turn there of events. Payback. Need more light. Thanks a lot, guys. See you on the next one.